How to back up notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. And then, scroll down and go to Notes. Over here, turn on the Sync This iPhone feature. This will now automatically sync your notes to iCloud, so you'll be able to see, edit, share and collaborate from any of your devices. Following these steps, you can easily back up notes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.